This is Ryder's first bath at home.
We're going to get this one side, then we're going to do the other side. Get under that neck. In case you got spit up under that neck.
Oh no, Ryder!
He's getting his bath.
Okay, we're going to wipe that off. Then we're going to do the other side.
Here, Ryan, I'll tell you what. You video. Okay? Make sure you got it good. Got matching buttons. Here. Sit back over here so you... Okay. You got it? Get Mama Joyce in it too. Get both of them. Oh, he found his thumb, Ryan.
Where?
In his mouth. Try not to shake it. Oh, you're doing a good job. Here, buddy. You don't feel
This is
bad.
not fun. Yeah. I don't think he needs any alcohol on that belly button. Okay. I've done all the lotion part. I'm going to. You want to do his head?
No, you do it.
Okay. Just a teeny tad of this.
We're still
Yeah.
videotaping, buddy. Your arm getting tired? You want to swap and take pictures and let me video? Okay. It's heavy. You got
You
it?
getting your hair washed. You getting your hair washed for the
Look.
first time.
Uh-huh. Great job, Ryan. Here, I'm going to hook it around your neck so that it won't fall on the floor.
I'm washing your ears. This is no fun. Whoops. This no fun, Mama Joyce. This not fun.
Good job.
I did.
Uh-huh. Riley, you want a videotape? Oh, okay. He's going to take his own pictures. Yep. Alright, swap with me again so I can get some of his face. Oh, got it? Careful. Look at these little curls. What are you doing?
Riley, move.
You have to press this. Just press it once. See? The red dot means recording. You're doing it. Oh, you pressed it too many times.
Oh, that's a nice camera.
Oh, you know what? Your battery's going dead. Here, use mine. Take pictures from mine. You put it on your neck.
Ow, my arm.
You gotta look through the viewfinder on that one.
Clean it. I think that's all we need. We can dry his hair now. You nice and clean now. Right.
Ryan, that battery's going dead, honey. Put it up.
Too bad.
You can videotape.
What, Riley?
Okay.
Oh, what
Now.
did he say?
You can video.
Now let me get some of you.
I want to take a
Do it.
picture.
What do you want me to do? It's recording. What's supposed to do?
Just dry his hair off.
I'm gonna get an outfit. I'm gonna get an outfit.
Go get that Vaseline that we've been
I'm gonna
using.
get an outfit.
You know that tube of Vaseline?
Me?
No, I was talking to Ryan,
Ryan,
but he might not know what I meant.
hurry.
What?
I think you like being naked.
Yeah.
Go out there and get that Vaseline for us.
Got fuzz. Mom, have some fun.
Yeah, put his new little towel around him.
I need something to do.
Okay, go look on the back of my door and bring me that shirt that says Mommy's New Man.
Here, I'll do the rest.
Okay. Oh, Riley, this is a cute, cute picture. Let me see it. Hurry.